Hello, myself Sunil Ramkrishnan, and in here basically we are talking about the Congress government. How basically they takes the badala. In Hindi, basically it's called as a badala. Badala means you can say if anybody is hurting one person, then he's basically taking the revenge. Basically, you can say. So how Congress party has taken the badala. Badala basically. There is basically one movie also called Badala. Badala means badala. So, how Indira Gandhi murder Badala was basically taken by Congress group. That is basically the Bollywood group. That is the BJP group, Aam Aadmi Party, Samajwadi Party. He's basically black, sorry, white, black, not black person. He's a white person. Akhilesh Yadav. Not a black person. He's a white person. So he's there, and like this, basically entire group basically has taken Badala. An entire political people, entire their group, Bollywood, entire sports group, sports as Indian sports only Indian sports here are basically we are considering, because entire world is not of Congress, entire world is of not of Congress. So basically they have tried to take over the world. So just see what happened in Gaza, what just see what happened in Israel, just see what is going to happen across the world where the Congress are there. So like this, basically they thought that we will take badala of the Indira Gandhi murder case, and we are going to do the advertising across the world. I have taken one example of one boy, how basically they have treated with that particular boy. They have done the marriage of that particular boy with HIV/AIDS girl, and they done the advertising, and they thought that he basically got the HIV/AIDS, and like this basically his nasbandi was also done. So like this basically the Congress takes the badla, and Congress basically it's very old party, 1700 year basically you can say. It's already 300 year already over. So they basically keeps on their value. Like this basically they keeps on creating country, they keeps on finishing country. Like this basically they do lots of things. So like this, for example, I will take one example. Assume that I have uploaded the video, and how assume that some Congress party thought that I should watch that video. So he watched the video, and he passed the information to the Bollywood group. Each and every single home basically, that is basically the single room information, if anybody wants to know that information, only Bollywood groups have. So like this basically Congress party passed the information to that particular Bollywood person, and Bollywood person told that, oh, he's basically staying in this city and in this area. You want his home address, that also we can give. If you want to know that but basically what he's doing at the home, that also we can give, because we have up to that level power, because power is given by you only. Up to that this level you want to want the information. That Bollywood person basically told that to the Congress person. No. Then Congress person told, no, we don't want the information up to that level, because we are white. White means we are very clean. We don't interfere in any of the issues. We just pass the issue to the Congress, BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, Samajwadi Party, and then basically we keep safe themselves. Means we basically keeps ourselves safe like this, because we have created the party. Then one person told that how is this possible basically? BJP is not knowing that BJP is Congress has created the BJP. Samajwadi don't know that Congress has created the Samajwadi Party. Then the answer basically one Hindu person basically has given. He told that we are basically Bhakt of Sri Krishna God, and Bhakt of Sri Ram also, and we have Sri Shivan also, Shiv God. We have that type of utility that we can create human also. Human means, for example, one person has died, as if one person has died, and he skeleton basically we can convert into the human basically, and control his body from the softwares. Then basically that person basically was shocked. So like this basically we placed each and every BJP writer, Congress writer, Samajwadi Party writer. Writer means what? Whatever he is going to write, that only basically BJP is going to speak. Aam Aadmi Party is going to speak. Samajwadi is going to speak. So like this basically each and every writer basically we have created. Then basically rest of thing basically the political people are going to do. And all the top level people basically in the BJP, Congress, sorry, in the Samajwadi Party and in the Aam Aadmi Party, all are basically human clones. Human clone means all died people basically have got the birth and they have basically control. They are basically controlling from the softwares and the computers, and these people are basically trained by the to keep themselves very peaceful. This all this to keep themselves peace, they basically lots of sansthas basically are created, like Brahma Kumari Sanstha is there, Patanjali Sanstha is there. There basically if you want to track this all political people, you can track there. So the person which, for example, one chief minister is going to be placed after certain years, then basically if you want to track where is that particular person basically, nobody basically might be knowing that person also. But if you want to track that particular person, then you can go to Brahma Kumari Sanstha, Patanjali Sanstha. There basically you are going to find that person because they basically trains that person. So you can just imagine the Brahma Kumari Sanstha up to what level these groups are also. And about and they basically all do peacefully. Peacefully means, I will take one example. One person basically was in the software industry. Assume that he is from Vadodara city. Brahma Kumar is also in Vadodara city. He basically done some mistake in software industry. So he basically was fired from few companies. Like this, basically he started his career. So like this, like this, he started his career by firing the people. Sorry, he basically was fired. So like this, after 2 3 people fired, he basically got angry. Got angry means he was getting fired from childhood only. Then at last, basically, he lost his control, and basically he actually mailed one software company owner, and he basically told that this type of thing is happening, that this that this, lots of things basically he has written. Then basically the Brahma Kumari Sanstha basically got this information, and the person basically the mailed person, he was very powerful. The businessman was very powerful. So he told that he's going to do lots of things, this that, lots of things basically he told. Then basically the Brahma Kumari Sanstha told that no, don't do anything, because we are basically creating peace in the city. We are peace group. Wherever basically we exist, nothing happens in the city. Like this, basically information Brahma Kumari group basically given to the that particular businessman. Then basically the Brahma Kumari planned what? They basically told that we will treat one lesson to that particular boy. Is that okay for you? Then that businessman told that yeah, that's very fine. That's fine. Otherwise, I will give the lesson to that particular boy, and that will create lots of issues. Then basically Brahma Kumari Sanstha told that yeah, we are basically planning one girl. We have placed one girl in Mumbai, and she basically is having HIV/AIDS girl, and we basically have the data, and she is she is connected with very big rich businessman group. Oh, and basically before death basically one marriage has to be happen to that girl also, otherwise her atma is going to um, atma basically will create problem in future for that girl family. So they told that yeah, basically we have this type of data. So just see basically how they use the data, the Brahma Kumari Sanstha. So like this, they basically done the marriage of that particular poor boy, and then basically they told that yeah, basically we have given him lesson. Just see, basically we have done the marriage of that particular boy with that AIDS girl. Now it is okay. No, then he told that no, this is not okay. This is not okay. Then they told that what should we do now? Do his Nasbandi also. What? Yeah. So his generation basically he should treat the mistake basically he has done, that has to be created as a lesson basically in front of the software industry. Not a single software person is is supposed to mail like this basically, and he's not supposed to work in software industry. Do that type of thing basically. Then they basically done one more plan. They basically uh, told that we will do his Nasbandi also. Then that particular businessman told that yeah, now it's okay, now it's okay. Businessman will, no, no, it's not, it's not okay, it's not. First he told it's okay. Then basically somebody SMS'd him and told that no, it's not okay. Then basically the Brahma Kumari was shocked. Basically we are filling his demands and demands and demands just to keep the peace in city. So then basically they told that yeah, basically we will do one more thing. Um, this part basically we are going to see in next video.